Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? So it's a really bad news for all Chainlink holder. To the channel Inc. Is completely falls down. 17.78 USD dollar is the latest price. In this video, I predicate this coin. I share my opinion to what's going on in upcoming time. What we do, my brother. Please kindly watch this video completely and subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. As you can see, my brothers, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and last 24 hour, last 1 hour, all change occurring will be negative now. Absolutely, the price is falls down. So what's the reason today falls down, and what's the opinion as to really can this is selling time, holding time? My friend, the main reasons, there are two main reasons. The special one reason is that to a holder or starting selling, they cannot hold it because especially the short time investor, when he see, my friend, the good profits is absolutely they're starting selling. They cannot see the short time or long time, but they're starting selling. So therefore the coin is falls down. And the second reason is that to all currency, my friend, as all market is dumps down. So therefore Chainlink is also dumps down. So kindly holder, I hope they will recover it, but kindly holder, you need to hold it. Especially like me, I am also holder of Chainlink, and I have no plan to sell it before 2022. It's mean to I am a long time investor, and I cannot see the short jump, short fail. So therefore, if you are invest for a long time, so definitely Chainlink is good coin for you. But if you want to invest for a short time, so definitely Chainlink is not for you, because just in only, my friend, in one day the price is come down, and the one day the price is moving upward. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to don't see this short fail and short jump. Just in only if you invest for a long time, so hold it, and if you are a short time, so sell it. Let's see, my brothers, to upcoming time, there is a chance so they will move upward. Yes, absolutely, my friend, there is a lot of chances, because my brother, if you can see, my brother, this coin there falls down exactly very bad dump, but again the coin is falls down. So absolutely, my friend, after a jump every graph currency will take a fail, but definitely, my friend, I hope in upcoming time they will move upward now. So let's see, my brother, my prediction is going to be positive now, my opinion is going to be positive now. It's mean, my best to the coin is moving upward, go in the moon now, but just in only you need to hold. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. See you next time, Chainlink holder. My opinion is please hold, and what's your opinion? Please tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching.